So we're so excited. We're going to Great Wolf Lodge for the first time ever to celebrate May's 6th birthday. So we're really excited. It's only 2.5 hours away. And we have the most beautiful day, guys. It is bright. It's 65 degrees, but it is so sunny and the sun just makes me happy. We got chips, drinks, candy, which are all signs of vacation. And Dad is driving.
I'm so excited. I didn't expect it was this big. It's bigger than everything.
Fireplace, we got a view. So Mimi got this special birthday button and this special birthday wristband. So this is pretty cool. The wristband is what lets us into the room. We got to check in earlier. Our room was ready. It's only $129. Sean is obsessed with the pillows.
Come on, let's go swing. Come on, let's go swing.
You gotta try this, huh?
I'm gonna have to try it.
You've gotta try these pillows.
Only if we go swing.
They're so squishy.
One for you, baby. Hold yours. Two, and Daddy gets them too.
I'll wear mine later. Or not.
Oh, look how cute, Dad.
Let's go. Let's go eat something.
Daddy, you look like a kitty cat.
It's supposed to be wolves. I'm back. Here's granola bars.
They're all hungry.
Yeah. Yeah, you are going to be hungry, so let's eat. After having some fun in the water, we headed out. We stopped by the lobby to enjoy some of the character appearances, and then we headed out for Mimi's special birthday dinner.
We're at Applebee's.
That's the wrong one. We're in 321. I am the queen. Therefore, I have complete access to everything. So exciting because we're gonna go do the little Build-A-Bear thing that came with their Pup Pass. So let's see what we get. All right, guys, so many options. So Noah, which one are you going for?
That's pretty cool, huh? It's nice to be a
Oh, friendly bear.
All right, so buddy, can you grab
Mimi, which one are you doing?
from one of these bins right here?
So Mimi's doing this bunny over here.
Hold that heart out in your hand and give it a nice rub, get it nice and warm. Give it a pat, 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 pat to give it a heartbeat. Hold in your head so it's super smart like you. On your arm so it's super strong like you. Rub it on your belly so your friend never goes hungry. You're doing squeeze and make a wish. Alright, as soon as you got that wish, go ahead and stick it on in your bear. Awesome, good job.
Now it's Noah's turn.
Alright, buddy.
He's never too old for a stuffy.
Never.
Oh no. He loves them.
No such thing as too old for a stone. You can be 82 and still yourself. Pretty good. Go ahead and step.
Oh, you went with the red one.
So, I'm going to hold on your hands like this and give it a nice rub, 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 rub. I'm going to pat, 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 pat. And then hold on your arms so it's super strong like you. On your head so it's super smart like you. Rub it on your belly so it never goes hungry. And then give it a squeeze and make a wish. One squeeze. High five, buddy. Woo! And then can I sign your passport, please?
All right, let's see what's next. We could do arcade. We want to wait for Daddy with that. He wants to do that too. One small candy cup or a scoop of ice cream. You guys want to do candy?
Yeah.
We need to check in here first. All right, guys, so you can fill up your cup with anything that's in the clear containers over here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear May May. Happy birthday to you. Woo! And many more. All right, May May, what are you gonna go for first? You wanna go for the easy one, the gift basket? Oh, what is that? That way nobody is fighting.
I'm gonna save this for home.
Oh, it's a unicorn one.
I'm gonna save this for home.
Okay.
What? You wanted
I
that.
got a Rubik's Cube. Okay, time to open this.
What is that? What's that? Ooh, what is all this goodies? What?
All the fun stuff.
And what's this?
Japanese stuff.
Stickers.
Japanese
And
stuff.
one more.
Ooh, all the fun pens. And then this over here is for you to keep them stored neatly so they don't get all over the place. So, check this out. Isn't this cool? Oh, honey, you want to be careful with your teeth.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Ooh, love these pens.
Ooh, what kind
They're
of
nice and thin, see?
I'm so
Oh, yeah.
So lucky.
another
Baby one. It's a
owl.
baby. You're gonna get a baby vacuum.
Okay, let's see. I think it's a baby owl.
You open it.
I think we all know why we got these things. Because Mommy likes them too.
I think so.
Dad brought everybody breakfast. Ooh, yum.
Let's put it right here.
Yeah. Ooh, yum. I know what Mamie's gonna go for. And Dad got me some cream cheese. Dad got himself a decaf coffee, coconut iced coffee for Mommy. I personally am loving these little wolf ears. I've been wearing them quite often, quite a lot. I think I'm the one family member in the whole pack that is enjoying her wolf ears. Right, Hans?
Yeah. Are you gonna walk out with your wolf ears?
Absolutely. I'm embracing the wolf ears my entire stay. I might even wear them in the car.
How about home?
I might take them out at home once in a while.
I'll wear my wolf ears at home.
Yeah?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah. Sean says, you know, all the dads are forced to wear the wolf ears.
Forced.
What do you guys think? Do you guys think that's true? I just think they love wearing the wolf ears because he wore them pretty much the entire day yesterday. Didn't he even
Where's
notice
my
they were
wolf
there?
ears? Where's my wolf ears?
Ears. Maybe go get Daddy his wolf ears. Oh, they're backwards, baby.
That's I'm wearing the wolf ears.
Embrace the wolf ears, babe.
I'm embracing my inner wolf.
How about you, Mimi?
Maybe you wearing your wolf ears?
Yeah.
They make wolf sound.
The wolf.
1, 2, 3. Goodbye, hotel room.
Bye, Rose. I will miss you.
Yes, but the fun's not over. We're headed down to the arcade and water park.
And we're always coming back.
Yes, we'll come back some point.
The great thing about this place is that you get complete access to the water park and everything in the resort the day of your arrival and the entire day of your departure. So even though we checked out of our room, we still had access to the water park and we were going to completely embrace this time. We went to the arcade, used up the arcade time, and enjoyed everything that the water park had to offer.
Was that a good idea, or was it a good idea?
Yeah, it was fun. It was a good idea. Now I just want to go somewhere warm.
I went on the slides. I went into the bucket. I went in the hot tub.
He didn't just go under the bucket. He runs to go under the bucket every time it starts
Everybody
dipping.
runs to go under the bucket.
I've never seen John so excited. He's like running. This thing here is pretty cool. Put your wet clothes in there. This tiny little tube right there, like that. Okay. And like this. Brings out your clothes so it's not as wet when you take it home. This in here. It's pretty cool, huh?
We're gonna see the tree.
Please stand clear.
Wait, I'm gonna see the tree.
Yeah.
I think so. I told you.
Oh, here we are at the trees. They have a variety of flavors.
Strawberry.
You're gonna go for strawberry? Oh, the chocolate one looks so amazing. What are you gonna go for, Noah? Yum! Thank you. You too. Like it? Yeah? Is it good? So we are now leaving the Great Wolf Lodge. It was a fun experience. We loved it. All right, guys, how was the vacation? Noah is tired. Mimi's playing with her toys. Dad continues to enjoy his Panda Express. I just went inside to get my Chipotles, and yes, I'm still sporting my little wolf ears because they're cute, and you know, I feel like I have the license to sport the wolf ears until I make it back to Erie. But it was a good trip. Do you recommend?
I highly recommend it. the marshmallow pillows take second place to the Panda Express.